Welcome back to today's class. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are well and good by the grace of God. Children, last class you have learnt the habits of cleanliness. Are you following those habits every day? I hope you are doing, isn't it? Continue the same. Okay, children? Now, let's move to the today's topic. Today's topic is protecting sense organs. Yeah, protecting sense organs. Sense organs, you know very well. How many sense organs are there? Yeah, there are 5 sense organs. What are they? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Sense organs helps us to observe and understand the world around us. There are 5 main ways we can do this. First one, through sight. We see with our eyes. Next one, through touch. We feel with our skin. Third one is through smell. We smell with our nose. Fourth one is through taste. We taste with our tongue. Fifth one is through hearing. We hear with our ears. Children, in this topic, we will discuss the ways by which we can take care of our sense organs. By nature, all the sense organs have some ways to protect themselves. For example, the eyelids and lashes protect the eyes from dust and other foreign particles. Children, how should we take care of our sense organs? Let's see one by one. First one is eyes. What we have to do to protect the eyes? Some ways we have to follow. Yeah, we should read in a proper light. Watch television from a minimum distance of 6 feet. If you feel your eyes are itchy, wash them with clean and cold water. Okay. Next one is what we should not do. Children, this is very important. You should not read in too dim or too bright light. It affects your eye power. Next one is play video games or watch TV for long hours. We should not do like this. Next one is rub your eyes with your fist. These things affects our eyes. Children, do you know a condition known as digital eye strain is common among people working at computers all day. This condition leads to dry eyes, eye strain, blurred vision, and headache. Children, if you find it difficult to read from long sight or short sight, tell your parents and consult your doctor. Children, next we are going to see about ears. How to take care of our ears? What we have to do? Children, we have to follow some ways to protect our ears. Avoid loud noise. Clean your ears with extra care. Dry your ears after taking bath. Wipe the outer ear with washcloth or tissue. Cover your ears while swimming and bathing. Use earplugs or earmuffs when you are exposed to loud sound. Children, next, what we should not do. First one is, do not listen to music at higher volume when using earphones or headphones. Next one is, do not clean ears with earbuds. Don't insert anything into your ears. You should never insert any object into your ear. Children, these things will affect your ears. Hearing loss cannot be prevented always, but hearing loss due to exposure to loud noises can be avoided. Consult a doctor if you have pain in ear. Children, do you know noise levels are measured in decibels? Any sound over 85 decibel can be harmful to us. So always be careful with your ears. Children, next one is nose. Nose is very important organ. It helps us in many ways. We breathe and smell through the nose. Children, how to take care of our nose? We should follow some ways to protect our nose. Clean your nose regularly. If the nose is blocked due to cold, it is better to use steam to clear it. Next, maintain good humidity level. Next, avoid dusty rooms. Children, what we should not do? Do not clean your nose by inserting any object into it. Don't let any foreign object get into your nostrils. Do not pluck your nose hair. These things will make you harm. Children, next one is tongue. How to take care of our tongue? Here, some ways to you. First one is, we should clean our tongue daily with a tongue cleaner while brushing our teeth. Monitor the color of your tongue. Your dirty tongue may cause disease and bad breath. Next, rinse well. Next, drink plenty of water. Children, every day you follow this activity, you can make your life be a healthy one. Children, the last one is skin. Skin is the largest organ of the body. How to take care of our skin? We have to follow some ways to protect our skin. Always use a mild soap. Keep your skin dry and clean. Dry your skin by rubbing gently with a clean cloth. When you feel any itching, skin injury or infection, consult your doctor and get medical advice. Children, always take special care of your sense organs. Be safe, be healthy. Children, now we are going to complete this heading. Okay? Right, true or false? Say after me, children. Right, true or false? First one, avoid playing video games or watching TV for a long time. True. Children, say after me. Avoid playing video games or watching TV for a long time. True. Next question number 2. Avoid loud noise. Avoid loud noise. True. Children, say after me. Avoid loud noise. True. Next question. Do not clean your nose by inserting any object into it. True. Children, say after me. Do not clean your nose by inserting any object into it. True. Fourth one. A dirty tongue may cause disease and bad breath. Answer is true. Children, say after me. A dirty tongue may cause disease and bad breath. True. Fifth question. Dry your skin by rubbing gently with a dirty cloth. False. Children, say after me. Dry your skin by rubbing gently with a dirty cloth. False.